Hi students, welcome to my channel CSIT Tutorials by KanyaKumari. In this video, we are going to discuss how to construct a binary tree based on the given traversals. So this is very important question for your GATE examinations. In competitive exams, so in interviews also, so in data structures, they may ask, so this one, so how to construct a binary tree based on the traversals. So now, see this example 1. They are giving Inorder tree traversal, preorder tree traversal. So based on these two traversals, we have to construct a binary tree. So now, I think you remember the order of the traversals in Inorder, preorder and postorder. If you have not seen my video, so binary tree traversals, so please watch that video and again come back to this video and watch this one. Then it is easy to understand. Yes, let us start the construction. So just I will recollect what is Inorder tree traversal. Inorder means first we have to visit left subtree and then root node and then right subtree. Okay. So preorder tree traversal means first visit root node and then left subtree elements and then right subtree elements. Postorder tree traversal. First visit left subtree elements, then right subtree elements, then visit root node. Okay, so now they have given Inorder tree traversal. See, Inorder and preorder. So if you observe, preorder means first root node. That means in the given this traversal, whatever the first node, that is the root node. So in a binary tree, now we know that 1 is the root node. Next, check this 1 in Inorder tree traversal. Here it is. Inorder traversal means left, root, right. This is the root node we have identified. What about left of this root node? Left subtree elements. That means these belongs to left subtree elements. This belongs to right subtree. That means see 1 left side, 4, 2, 3. And 1 right side, here it is 3. Okay, so this 1 completed. Now see this 2. So that means first we have to see preorder 1 by 1 node. Check this node in Inorder where it is present to the root node. Whether this node is present left of root node or right of root node. That we have to check. Okay. So next node is 2. 2 is present left of this root node 1. So left side, now what you will get? Now from this we will get left of 1 as 2. So now the tree is 1, here it is 2 and here it is 3. So 2 here. 2 is the root node, then definitely 2 is left 4, 2 is right 3. Oh, 4, 2, 7, sorry. Here it is 7. This is not 3, this is 7. Okay, that means now here 4. So 2 is left 4, 2 is right 7. So now 2 is left 4, 2 is right 7. That's all completed. See how many nodes are there in the given by traversal? 5 nodes are there. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See you can cross verify whether it is correct or not. For this binary tree traversal, write down Inorder and preorder. Inorder and preorder. If you are getting the same, the given traversal, then it is correct. See Inorder. Inorder means 1, 2, 4, 7, 3. Oh, This is not in order. This is in order means first left na. So left, that means left 4, left, root, right. Then 1, 3. In order. Preorder means 1, 2, root, for this left 4, 7, 3. Check this one. See, in order to traversal 1, 2, 4, 2, 7, 1, 3, 4, 2, 7, 1, 3. Preorder tree traversal 1, 2, 4, 7, 3. Yes, it is correct. This is the given binary tree. For the given traversals, this is the binary tree. Now, let us take another example. See this one. Same. This is in order, preorder they have given. Now, which one is the root node? A is the root node. Where is A in order? Here it is. Now, these will get left side, these will get right side. So, A left, D, B, A right, F and then C. Now, among these three, which one will get the root for left subtree? In between these two, which one will get a root for right subtree? Let us check. So, this A completed now. Now come to B. Where is B in order tree traversal? B is present left of A. So, here it is B. So, A is left, you will get B. A is left, you will get B. From here you can identify. So, this is left of B and this is right of B. So, B, D and E. Now come to FC. So, that means D completed, E completed. Next node is C. C is present, A is right side. C is present in the in order, A is right side. That means in between F and C, here you got first C. That's why A is right side, first we will get C. So, here it is C. This C is completed. Now, next one is F. So, F you will get, see here, C is left, F is present. So, that's why C is left, F you will get. This is the binary tree for the given traversals. So, now you can cross verify for this also. In order, preorder. In order means left, root, right. So, D, B, E, A, F, C. Preorder. Root, left, right. Root means A, root, left. In the left subtree again follow preorder. Root, left, right. Root, left, right. Now come to root completed, left subtree completed. Then come to right subtree. In right subtree again follow preorder. Root, left, right. So C, F. See, this is preorder. Yes, it is correct. Like that you can cross verify whether your binary tree is correct or wrong. Okay. So now let us take another example. In these examples they have given in order and preorder. There may be another chance like in order they may give and then post order they may give. So then how to construct binary tree? For example, in order traversal 4, 8, 2, 5, 1, 6, 3, 7. Postorder tree traversal for example 8, 4, 5, 2, 6, 7, 3, 1. Okay. So now if in order, post order are given, then how to construct a binary tree? So in previous examples we have considered preorder. Why? Because root first and we checked the nodes from left to right like 1, 2, 4, 7, 3. So then we are checking where this node present in order. So in preorder we are checking from left to right. Okay. Now coming to post order, if they have given, then you have to scan one by one node from right to left. From right to left. That means, so first, why? Because post-order tree traversal means left, right, root. So whatever the present in the last position, that will become the root node. So 1. So for this traversal, 1 is the root node. Then find where is 1 in order. 1 is present here. Then whatever are present ones left, these will become left subtree elements. These will become right subtree elements. Now represent 4, 8, 2, 5. One's right, 6, 3, 7. Now, among all this, which one will become root node of left subtree? Among these 3, which one will become root node of right subtree? Now, what is the next number? 3. 3 is present in which position? 3 is present one's right side. That means one's right side, you will get 3 as the root node. So, 1 here, 3 you will get. Why? Because once here next immediately you got the number 3. So, check 3 here. So, 3 is present one's right side. So, 3. Then, here only 3 are there now. Now, this is the root node. Then, this is left side. This is right side you will get. So, now here you will get 6. Here you will get 7. That means 7 completed, 6 completed. We have represented now. Now, next one is 2. That means among these 4, 8, 2, 5, first which node you are getting here? 2. So, one's left side you will get 2. So, 2 is present one's left side. So, 2's left 4, 8, 2's right 5. That means 2's right 5, 2's left 4, 8. Okay. So 2 completed, 5 completed. Next which node you got? 4. 4 is present, listen carefully, 4 is present one's left side. One's left side already 2 is there. One's left side already 2 is there. 2's left. So now this 4 you are getting for 2's left only. Okay. So 2's left you will get 4. So 1, 2, 4. 4 is the root node. Then 4's right. So 8 is present here, 4's right side now. So you will get 4's right side as 8. Then this side subtree is as it is 3, 6, 7. That's it. This is your binary tree for the given traversals. So only one difference. In order, post order they have given you have to scan the nodes from right to left subtree, right to left side. Okay. So then you check where is that node in order tree traversal. That's it. Then you will get binary tree. This is very important for your interview and also for your GATE examinations. Hope you understand, students. If you have any doubt, you can just send me a comment in the comment box. If you like the video, please share with your friends and like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you, students. Have a great day. Bye.